Hi children, are you following the videos? Yes, I hope we are all following the videos and read very well. In the last video, I explained the gases of the atmosphere, what are the gases are there, what are the importance of those are all gases. In this video, I want to explain you the structure of the atmosphere. What is the structure of our atmosphere? Atmosphere is a blanket covered your Earth's surface. It is a mixture of several gases we discuss. In this atmosphere, what is the structure of this atmosphere? How many layers are there? What are the importance of these overall layers? Now, let us discuss in this video. Our atmosphere divided into 5 layers starting from the Earth's surface. Here it is the starting point, it is the surface point. It is our atmosphere. It is the thickness of our atmosphere. In this atmosphere, total 5 layers are there. What are those 5 layers? Those are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the 5 spheres, layers are in our atmosphere. Now let us discuss one by one. The first sphere name is the troposphere. What is the specialties of the troposphere? This layer is the most important layer of the atmosphere. It is the most important layer of the atmosphere. It is the starting layer of the atmosphere and it is the most important layer of the atmosphere. What is the importance of this layer? We all live on this troposphere. Here all the changes occurs on this troposphere. Mountains, plains, plateaus, your air, these are all things present only in this atmosphere. What is the height of our atmosphere? The thickness of the troposphere is 0 to 13 kilometers. 0 to 13 kilometers, that is the thickness of the troposphere. The air we breathe exists in here. Air presents only in this troposphere. The weather conditions, weather phenomena, rainfall, fog, hailstorm occurs in this layer. Okay, rainfall occurs only in this troposphere. Fog, hailstorm, and these are all things you have seen in this troposphere. That's why it is very important sphere or layer of the atmosphere. The thickness is 0 to 13 kilometers. Okay, that is about our troposphere. Troposphere is the important layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is up to 0 to 13 kilometers. The air we breathe exists here. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog, hailstorm occur in this layer. That is about our troposphere. We all live in this troposphere. We cannot live remaining spheres. What are the reasons? Now we can discuss. Next sphere is the stratosphere. Stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere. Okay, you see. Here it is the 0 to 13 kilometers. Up to 13 kilometers, troposphere is there. The top of the troposphere, stratosphere is there. The stratosphere width is up to 50 kilometers. So 13 to 15, 50 kilometers, the stratosphere is located. Here, ozone layer is there and aeroplanes fly in this sphere. So, such type of bits will come in your examinations. In which sphere or in which layer aeroplanes can fly? Only the stratosphere. Okay, now you see. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere. It extends up to a height of the 50 kilometers. This layer is almost free from clouds and associated weather phenomena. Almost free. In those areas, you did not found any clouds also. Any clouds also you did not found in this area. This layer is free from clouds and associated weather phenomena, making conditions most ideal for flying aeroplanes. Now we all are seeing the aeroplanes are going. At the time you have a doubt how those aeroplanes are flying in the air. Any clouds are coming at the time, what did the driver do? Yes, may I write? Yes, at the time that sphere is you did not find any clouds, that's why the route is clear to those aeroplanes. That is about the stratosphere. Here ozone layer is also appear in this stratosphere. Okay children, above the troposphere, stratosphere is there. It extends 13 kilometers to 15 kilometers. This layer is almost free from clouds. Here clouds, fog, rainfall, these are all not there, and associated with the weather phenomena, making conditions most ideal for flying aeroplane. These conditions are suitable for flying aeroplanes. That is about our stratosphere. What is the next sphere? As mesosphere. The third layer of the atmosphere is mesosphere. This is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. It extends up to the height of 80 kilometers. So 0 to 13 troposphere, 13 to 50 is the stratosphere, 50 to 80 is the mesosphere. Meteoroids burn up in this layer on entering from the space. Children, already I explained what is in the 6th class meteoroids, the first lesson, the earth in the solar system. Do you know that? Okay. What is the meaning of meteoroids? Means it is a piece of rock or metal that has fallen to the earth's surface from outer space. That is called the meteoroids. These meteoroids fallen from the surface. It is fallen from the universe to the surface. At the time when these meteoroids touches the mesosphere, they burn up its layer on entering from the space. Okay, meteoroids are coming from the space to the earth's surface. Middle what are there? Here some spheres, some layers are there. When these meteoroids comes to the mesosphere, these meteoroids burn up. If those meteoroids directly touches our earth's surface, it will, those damages our earth. Okay, so this mesosphere protects our earth from this type of meteoroids burn up layer on entering from the space. Now you see, Here 0 to 13, 13 to 50, 50 to 80. This is the mesosphere. You see children, little these are all the meteoroids. The meteoroids come to the Earth's surface from the space. At the time those meteoroids burnt. So this mesosphere protects our Earth's surface due to these meteoroids. Okay children, this is the third layer of the Earth. What is the third layer? Mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. The thickness of the mesosphere is 50 to 80 kilometers. Meteoroids burn up in this mesosphere. Okay, that is about the mesosphere. Next one is thermosphere. Next sphere is thermosphere. It is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. In thermosphere, the temperature rises very rapidly, increasing the height. In atmosphere, temperature rises very rapidly, increasing height. Okay. Here the temperature increases. It is ionosphere is a part of this layer. It is ionosphere. It is also known as the ionosphere. It extends between the 80 to 400 kilometer. The thickness of this thermosphere is 80 to 400 kilometers. This layer helps in the radio transmission. Radio transmission. Nowadays we are all using mobile phones and fiber net also. How these signals, who send the signals to your mobile phones is with the help of this type of towers. Okay, these towers receives the signals and these signals sent to your mobile phones. Okay, so this layer in this thermosphere helps in radio transmission. In fact, radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. That is the importance of the thermosphere. The next one is exosphere. The fifth layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. What is the thickness of this exosphere? We don't know. Above the 400 kilometer, that is full of the exosphere. This layer has this air. Light gases like helium, hydrogen float into the space from the air. Light gases are you found in this exosphere. This is about our exosphere. Okay children? Okay. In this video, what I explained to you, total 5 layers of the atmosphere. What are those 5? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere. Okay. What is the importance of each and every sphere, and how can we get the signals, in which sphere aeroplanes can fly? These are all things we discussed in this video. Children, after watching this video, open your textbook and read 1 or 2 times the textbook. Okay, wait for the next video. Bye.